Hello, ladies. So, I am doing a little candid conversations with Anna video here. Basically, what it means is that I just take out my iPhone and I quickly chit chat to you about something, and voila, upload it on YouTube. So, I do my little more sophisticated videos once a week, but I thought it would be fun to just add this little compliment as well. Anyway, today I want to chit chat with you about my hair situation because I'm sure a lot of you girls, you can identify yourself when it comes to having hair issues. Oh, let me tell you that my hair is a big hair issue and it has always been since I was young basically. So, my genetical hair situation is this. I am born with very, very fine hair and not very thick hair. So, thin hair and fine hair. It is so annoying because, number one, if you have fine hair, there's very little you can do with your fine hair. Second of all, there are very little hairstyles you can have with the fine hair. Third, you cannot grow your hair long. It will most probably stop growing at about this length, which my hair did. Um, then your hair will never be like super perfect with no split ends and all that. I mean, I know a lot of you girls suffer from split ends, we all do. But when you have fine hair, it's like so prone to split ends. It's just like the hair just breaks all the time, no matter what you do. It's like you just brush your hair once and then it breaks off. Anyway, I have been struggling for a long time, and I mean, I'm sure some of you know is that I wear hair extensions now. Actually, just as a side comment on hair extensions, because whenever I mention that I have hair extensions, people are like, well, you are brave that you can admit that you have hair extensions. And I get a little bit surprised. I'm like, why? Is there like some form of secret, or is there like a taboo that you cannot mention that you have hair extensions? I don't get it, girls. Please write to me in the comments what you think about that. Anyway, going back to my hair extensions. So, I am literally forced to wear hair extensions. If I don't wear hair extensions, girls, my hair is a freaking mess. It looks awful. And there's nothing I can do about it. The only thing I could potentially do about it if I stop coloring my hair, basically stop adding highlights, which I do to my hair. Second of all, I cannot use any like warm things on my hair, basically no curling irons, no hair dryers, nothing. And I should also stop using like hairsprays and other products that will just kind of damage the hair. Basically just leave the hair alone. Then yeah, probably it will grow out in like X amount of years. But I am a person who lives in a very modern society with a modern lifestyle, so I can't just like stop doing anything to my hair. I need to have a blow dry once in a while. I do need to have my hair curled if I want to. That's part of my style, you know? But so for me then, hair extensions has really been my savior. I have been wearing hair extensions now for years, and trust me, I will probably never stop. A lot of you girls ask what exactly I do with my hair extensions. So I have keratin bonds. I have about 100 of them, and they go like this. I think in 2 rows. And the hair that I use is Russian virgin hair. And the good thing about it is that it blends perfectly in with my own natural hair, because the texture of Russian virgin hair is quite similar to my own texture. So in the past, for instance, I've tried like Indian hair, you know, totally did not work with my hair because Indian hair is much thicker than my own hair. So it just really looked so fake, and you could see I was wearing extensions. I personally support extensions, fake hair, all of that stuff, as long as you make it look like it's your own. Now, I get a lot of feedback that people think that my hair looks like my own, which I'm very happy about because that is like the ultimate goal. But the only thing that I feel is that I really wish I could style it more differently. There isn't really much I can do. Okay, I can put it up in a ponytail, which I do sometimes. I also braid my hair like this on days when I really don't have time to style it and it's also dirty. And then I like to put it up sometimes in a bun like this. I think it's quite nice. But most of the time I just wear my hair like this, and then I curl it with a curling iron and keep it on the side. Now, by the way, today I haven't done anything to my hair, and I will explain why in a second. So, yeah, basically, girls, this is my hair situation. By the way, I forgot to mention one more thing that is such a big struggle when you have fine hair, is that you have to wash your hair often, because your hair is so thin, it absorbs like the grease of your hair as soon as your hair gets dirty, like immediately. So your hair really looks greasy faster than a person who has more thicker and lusher hair, for instance. They can really get away sometimes by only washing their hair, like doing a blow dry once a week or twice a week, and then they're set for the rest of the week. Me personally, I have to do a new blow dry every day in order for me to have my hair look decent. And it's not healthy for the hair to do a blow dry every day or to wash it that often. It's so unhealthy. So you really have to pick your battles, and it's such a struggle because I want to have $1,000,000 looking hair every day. But with my hair quality, with my hair situation, it's really difficult. Really difficult. If anybody, by the way, has any solutions for me, I am open for suggestions. Feel free to send me some ideas, because right now I'm actually in a project hair makeover. So I've called it the project hair makeover because I really need to spice up my hair a little bit. I know my hair options are very limited, but at least if I can look in the limited department and see if there's maybe something new, at least I could try out. So I am going to go to several different hairstylists and hairdressers, and I'm going to have a consultation, a cut, a blow dry, and maybe a color with them, depending what they suggest me to do. So basically I want to go to them and ask, please do something with my hair that you feel suits me and that could just like elevate my whole look and make me look like $1,000,000. Like, just go and add your touches to my hair and let's see what happens. Now, I'm not going to sign up for any crazy cuts and colors here. I want to keep it something similar to what I already do, but just something a little bit more innovative, So that's why I'm sitting here with my hair totally undone. So girls, this is basically how my hair looks like when I just shower and like quickly blow dry it. And when I say blow dry it, I say just, put my hair a bit upside down under the blow dryer and brush it a little bit while I'm blow drying, but nothing fancy. Like, I'm not doing this thing and blow drying in all kinds of directions that I know the hairdressers are experts at doing. I really would love to learn that technique, but I've actually spoken to hairdressers about it, and they say that, because of the position of your arms, it's nearly impossible to get the same momentum as the hairdressers get. That's why your blow dries look so extremely perfect when you go and do it at a professional than if you do it at home. Anyway, now I'm actually off to go and see one of my hairstylists, and I will show you ladies what he has done to me. So I hope you will enjoy it, and I hope I will be happy, because it's always a little bit scary going to the hairdresser. We never know what they will do to us. And meanwhile, say goodbye to my boring hair. At least I am saying goodbye to it. I mean, we're not really going to do major things here. We are going to maybe cut a little bit and style it somehow. But what I really have to do now when I go and see him is I really have to take notes when it comes to styling it. So I really learn like the tricks that he's doing and maybe try and implement as much as possible to myself. Anyway, good luck to me, and I will see you soon. Hi ladies, so listen, I didn't have time to shoot a video when I came home. It's really a long story, but I just wanted to show you the results of the styling and the kind of cut that the hairdresser did. And I must say I'm really happy. Something totally different, just what I wanted. I just hope that I will be able to replicate this style when I style it myself in the future.